Hello, my friends. And welcome to our kitchen. Today we are going to cook the best, most delicious, irresistible cheese stuffed meat. You can shape them as meatballs or kofta. It's easy and delicious. To prepare the meat, I use 2.5 pound ground meat. You can use any kind of meat, beef, chicken, or lamb. 1 large finely chopped onion. Have a cup of chopped parsley. 1 teaspoon of salt, but you can add salt to your taste. Half teaspoon black pepper. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1 tablespoon garlic powder. Half a cup of bread crumbs. And half a cup of parmesan cheese. It's optional, but it gives more flavor to the meat. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then mix all the ingredients together very well. Then cover it for about 30 minutes to marinate. For the filling, you can use any kind of melted cheese. For this recipe, I use the sliced Havarti cheese. You can cut them into half-inch wide. Take a small portion of the meat, flatten it, place the cheese in the center, carefully wrap the meat around the cheese and then seal the edges. Then roll it into a smooth cylinder. Also, you can roll it into balls if you like. Continue with the process until you finish all the meat. Heat oil in a pan. Fry them on a medium heat. Let them cook and then flip them over to the other side. Let them cook to golden brown and cook through. They look so beautiful. You can also bake them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, or you can grill them if you like. If you like the recipe, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate that. Let them rest for a minute before you cut them. You can garnish with parsley or a cut spinach. It's juicy, flavorful, and oozing with cheesy goodness. This recipe is a must try. Please try it and let me know in the comment if you like it. And please, if you like it, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. It looks so good. It looks perfect. Every bite is packed with flavor and a satisfying cheesy pulp. You can eat them with rice or pita bread, or dip them in any kind of sauce you like. I just want to say thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribe to our channel, and I really appreciate you, my friends. Enjoy!